and your beautiful performance.
You're most
Thank you
welcome.
so much.
Thank you.
So
Thank you,
Smriti,
thank you, thank
Smriti, can you hear me now?
Yes,
you.
I
Yes, better.
can.
Yes.
Wow, finally you can hear me. So the communication is reaching to Jupiter.
I'm back.
So Smriti, why
No,
don't
I'm in
you
Venus.
sing?
Not Jupiter, I'm in
Okay.
Venus, the planet Venus.
I'll always be in Mars.
Yeah.
Okay, so Smriti, why don't you sing your favorite lines from the song for everybody? Yeah?
देखो पंजाबी इज अ वेरी मैं इतना फ्लुएंट अगर नहीं गा पाई तो मेरी चौक हो जाएगी बट
नहीं, आप ऐसे मूव जो आप डांस करते हो ना अपने लाइव में.
Sing the line Jogia.
हाँ that I can. So but then शिवानी आप स्ट्रम करो गिटार.
There'll be a time lag, but ठीक है, I'll give you the scale.
स्केल में नहीं आता है स्टार्ट.
हाँ,
जोगिया भी मुंदरा वालिया मैं दिल तेरे ना लालिया जोगिया. Hi, bus. Thank you.
Now, Varun, don't ask me to sing, huh? Otherwise this live session will
नहीं
be
सर,
over.
आप अरे सर, आप हर जो चीज आप करते हो ना वो बेस्ट है. But Dheeraj, let me tell you that this entire process has been a learning process, and I remember, like, every conversation has given us a boost, and how you've been in back of thoughts and watching our backs for the entire team and inspiring everyone. And Shibani, thank you, yeah, for entertaining us for 2 decades. And as Dheeraj said, starting from Ho Gayi Hai Mohabbat Tumse, from Nagmagi, Zinda Hu Main, and Sajna Abhija, everything. I think it's a great feeling for everybody to join hands. And I just wish कि ये जो content है हम लोगों ने अपने दिल और इतने शिद्दत से किया है, ये this reaches to right people, this reaches to the destiny where for which this was created. I'd like to thank Mehul for pulling it in best of ways, starting from it's a very difficult thing for a director, because हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम चाहे producers हों या actors हों, we follow a vision of what has been written and what has been designed. So for somebody to come up with a thought like this, that I want to go very vibrant, I want to go to Punjab, I want to shoot in between वो सरसों के खेत के बीच में चीजें करना चाहता हूँ, और all that thing, kudos to him and kudos to Raj Suri Paji for putting this project together, and Ankur for believing in the vision and doing everything. And I think this team is a dream team, यार. मतलब ये होते रहना चाहिए, बार-बार होते रहना चाहिए. This should happen again and again. Once again, thank you very much. But Dheeraj, before we leave you, what do you want to tell your friends and fans here to do for Jogia? I think I think what I feel is जो आपका एक dance movement है ना, I think people should start doing something. So I think you should start a challenge for people, yeah. तो एक छोटा सा step कर दो ना, सिर्फ छोटा step कर दो.
Yeah, मैं करता हूँ अभी. मैं पहले I would love to say thanks to Mehul especially, and Raj Paji. क्योंकि I think it was Mehul who came to me with this song and he said, तब तो मैंने song सुना भी नहीं था, but he's like a brother to me, and he said, भाई एक वीडियो करना आपके साथ and let's do, मैं आपको कुछ गाने सुनाता हूँ and all. I said okay, and then one day we met पाजी ने कहा कि मेरे पास एक बड़ा अच्छा गाना है which suits your personality and all, और ये जोगिया सॉन्ग हमने सुना. उसके बाद हमने दूसरा सॉन्ग नहीं सुना. उसके बाद we finalized this song and we sat on this. We actually lived this song for 6 months, मतलब 3 months at least, no, 6 months almost. And me and Paji, Mehul ने जो execute किया ना, मैंने कुछ लोगों को जो song दिखाया था अपनी इंडस्ट्री से, some creative directors, everyone appreciated his work and they said कि what a beautiful, there's a flow in the video according to the song and all, which is such a beautiful thing, and he directed it so well. Each shot speaks for itself, and this is what the quality of this video is. And Raj Paji, उनको जो परख है वो पकड़ने की, song पकड़ने की कि ये वाला song अच्छा है. So thanks to him too. And then execution, Varun, thanks to you. Shivani, thanks for singing it so well. And Smriti, thanks for complimenting me so well. And in the video, and you looked absolutely stunning. इतना अच्छा, हमको इतनी अच्छी सिमरन मिल गई. हम लोग सिमरन के बहुत हम लोगों ने सोचा हम सिमरन किसको लें एंड फाइनली my wife Vinny told me that Smriti is a good choice, so Smriti has a good face, let's go with Smriti. I said okay Smriti, and we checked her profile and we said okay, yeah, we got our Simran and all. So बट अच्छा है, आज वो सारी जो मेहनत थी उसका सारा फल आज आ गया एंड मैं नीचे
धीरज आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है।
So मैं नीचे फैंस की भी मैसेज पढ़ रहा हूँ, कमेंट्स। थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द लव। मैं तहे दिल से आप सबको धन्यवाद कहता हूँ, थैंक यू कहता हूँ। आप लोग जितना प्यार देते हैं ना, मतलब छोटी सी छोटी चीज आए दिन मैं देखता हूँ कि माय नेम इज गेटिंग ऑन अ ट्रेंड, मैं ट्रेंड हो रहा हूँ। धुप्पी, धीरज इन जोगिया, डीडी इन जोगिया एंड एवरीथिंग। थैंक यू सो 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 मच फॉर ऑल द लव गाइस। आप लोग हैं तो हम हैं, and thank you for everything, thank you for all the love, and keep giving this kind of love, and I promise that I'll keep entertaining you guys to the best of my abilities, and I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
सर देखो, मुझे नहीं पता अब जाना कब जा रहे हो, कैसे जा रहे हो, लेकिन वो एक छोटा सा जो आपका स्टेप था ना, वो जो आपने किया था, so guys, all of you know what needs to happen and what you guys need to do. We will not talk like marketers, we'll not talk like labels. We just will speak to you about dil se, बहुत from the core of for our heart. अगर आपको ये गाना अच्छा लगा है और आपको लगता है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं आपके किसी ऐसे मोमेंट से जो आपने अपनी लाइफ में जिया है, ये आपसे रिलेट करता है, प्लीज इसके बारे में बात कीजिए. Write it back to us. We'll share our email IDs and write back to us with your that one Jogia moment which happened in your life, and we'll try and go live like this one of these days, and whatever stories we get, and we'll select 5 of the stories and we'll narrate it to everybody. आप लोग की stories जो आप किसी को बता नहीं पाते हैं, जो किसी से इजहार नहीं कर पाते हैं, और आपका कोई ऐसा moment है जो आप दुनिया को बताना चाहते हैं और आपको लगता है किसी ना किसी कारणवश आप नहीं बता पाए, please write it to us. We'll share the email IDs with you.
And thank you Jogias too.
Yes, and we'll do this, and thank you very much for all the love. Dheeraj,
मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. कल रात को I was sitting with my wife and my niece, and मुझे नहीं पता था कि मतलब मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था कि ऑरेंज कलर को भी जोगिया कलर कहते हैं. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था ये बात, और कल रात को ही मुझे बात पता चली. सो आई थॉट ऑफ वेयरिंग समथिंग ऑरेंज फॉर जोगिया लाइव. सो मैं बिल्कुल ऊपर से नीचे तक अगर आप कहें तो अभी भी मैं जोगिया कलर में ही हूँ.
Yes.
Well, I wish ये कलर हम सब पे
wearing colors similar to the family of orange. If you see what Shibani is
I'm wearing a yellow.
Yeah, what I'm wearing, what Varun is wearing. So
Yeah.
So I
Varun
wish
is also wearing jogiya color.
yeah.
For me, this is a very overwhelming moment because Dheeraj, you don't even know how I'm feeling. मतलब मुझे I can't express. मतलब ये मेरा comeback song है, literally. After Sajna Abhi Ja, this is really my big song in that zone, in the romantic zone. And you don't know how special you are to me, and how special Smriti, you and Varun, you and Mehul and Raj Suri, you people have been like I would say like my angels. You are my angels because you have given life to my song. Love you loads and God bless you all. Really.
Thank you, Shibani.
I wish and pray.
Thank you so much.
I wish and pray ये emotions हम लोग के ऐसे ही म्यूजिक के प्रति और हम एक दूसरे के प्रति हम बना के रखें, और ये जो जोगिया का जो रंग है हम सब पे चढ़ा है, ये ऐसी चढ़ता रहे, और जोगिया 1, जोगिया 2, जोगिया 1000 should keep coming. And I wish you all the love. Thank you once again, for everything, Smriti. You're a beautiful soul, Dheeraj bhai. I think there's lots to learn from you, and how you execute your thoughts, and how you put a lot of energies to people. I still remember a conversation a couple of days back, and I love you for standing by us. And Shibani, I think I've said this before. So guys, I started my career I think 18 years back when I was in college, and I did one show of Shibani. That was my first show. in Rishikesh, and how Shibani and me ended up singing together on stage. That was in Rishikesh, and it's like, you know, the life I've come back to a vision. So thank you, Shibani. I love you. And